Hello guys, share lang po namin no, may nagbe-birthday po kasi kami na kasamahan sa trabaho at kahapon yung birthday niya. Since nag-absent siya kahapon, ngayon po ay isa-surprise po natin siya ng belated happy birthday. So may pasimpleng pa-cake po tayong ibibigay at ayan na po. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May God ever bless you. May God ever bless you. May God ever bless. Okay na ma'am, Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Serek.
How old are you? Sige kayo, gila ko. Gila ko. Namin mo surprise, eh? Namin lang naman.
Okay guys, salamat.
Sige, iyak na yan. Iyak na yan.
Alright.
Thank you so much. Iyak so my brother.
Or picture isa.